All right, let's look at another image now. I chose this one here.
Sorry, I'm recording a video.
I chose this image here because it's a challenging one. It's interesting. I'm going to go into the full screen so you can all see it. I've got this panned shot. So this guy was racing along in his race, and I moved the camera along with him as he was moving and kept him in the same spot in the frame. Now, when I did that, the shutter speed, so how fast the camera was opening and closing the door to the sensor, was really long. And so it creates these streaks of color where things are stationary. So I like it, but there's a few things that are wrong with this image right now. One, do you feel that haze that's over the top of it? It's just kind of an abundance of light that's not specific to anything. Well, that's because I've overexposed this image on just through making it work. The other thing is, because of that, I don't have anything that's actually got great contrast in it. And without great contrast, my eye doesn't know where to go and it doesn't have anything to stick with. The things that do have good contrast are a little bit distracting, like this beam of light here, which I'll guarantee it is just part of somebody else's light kit on their bike or something. You can almost see a little bit of a cyclist right here that came through the frame as I was shot. So the things that are working for me though, the motion lines, we want to make sure that those stay in place. The the cyclist himself is in pretty sharp focus, being that he was moving and I was moving, and I think we can make that resolve out even more and feel a lot more solid. Then, if you notice here, we have some neat lines with just the fact that the path that he was on is illuminated by its tones. So when we take it into Camera Raw, I'm going to show you how I would reinterpret this in order to make a different feel for the whole image.